time for language arts. It's Thursday, May 14th, 2020. So we are really quick going to go through our vocabulary before you do the practice on Kahoot today. So peered means you are looking closely at something. Discovery, you learn something or find something for the first time. Budge, you move something just a little bit. Scampering, running in a playful way. Majestic, something important or grand as a king or a queen. Entire means all of it, like the pizza. You ate it all.
Yummo.
Squatted, you crouched or sat on the ground. Chilly means it's a little cold. And I'm actually chilly in my room right now. I had to turn the air up. Bizarre is very strange. And extravaganza, amazing entertainment. So now you are going to write your sentences for each of those vocabulary words for practice and then do your Kahoot. So you can go ahead and shut the video off, turn it back on when you're ready. We're back. All right, we're talking about inflections right now, adding endings to our root words. What we're going to be working with on this page that you're going to do is ending with the ER and EST. So, right here, ER or EST to your base words. So, a few things to remember when you are doing this. So, if a word ends with a Y, think about it. What do? We've learned about this. You, Mrs. East?
Well, we say it like this. Change the Y to an I and add EST. Or ER.
ER, whichever one it is. So you're dropping that Y and changing it to an I. All right, if a word has a consonant, vowel, consonant, you're going to double that letter. Like, let me think. What is a word? Okay, I can't think of one right now.
Patter.
Pat?
Patter. Oh no.
Wait a minute. Patter? Don't know what that. Haven't heard of that one.
I don't know.
So Missy says we're going to use clip.
Clip.
CLIP. Okay. Now we want to change that from a clip to clippers. Oh, look. We have a consonant. I is a vowel. We have another consonant. So we're going to double that letter and put another P and then ER and then we're going to add S. So clippers. Could be the basketball team too.
It could. I thought of another one.
Okay.
Chatter.
Chat.
Okay. That's something we're missing from the classroom these days.
Chatterboxes.
Yeah.
So we
More
have
like our chatter.
Again, we have a consonant, an H. Anything that's not an A, E, I, O, U is your consonant. We have a vowel. A is a vowel. We have another consonant. So we're going to add that ER to it.
And a T.
So we put another T and the ER. So we are doubling that letter. So remember that. Consonant, vowel, consonant at the end of your root word. And then if it ends with an E, and then you're going to add ES or EST, you drop one of those E's. All right, so now we're going to go over a few words for examples. Erase. And you are going to pull out page 236 also, so make sure you do that. So let's see some words. We're not going to play this video for you because we've had technical difficulties on playing videos. So if you guys want to watch this video, you can go ahead and pull it up and watch it.
And we'll put it on the playlist.
We'll put it on the playlist so it'll be there for you.
But we have drop the E. Remember that rule? So if we're adding ER or EST, drop in the E, such as cute, cuter, and cutest. We also have the base word large. becomes larger, largest. You see how there's not two E's on any of those?
Yes.
And then we have the word fine, finer, and finest. All right, so now let's go look at some examples for the Y. We're going to drop the Y. There it is, happy. We're now getting rid of it and changing it to IER and IEST, happiest. We have silly. Oh, no Y. Sillier and silliest. And then we have easy, easier, and easiest. So just a few examples for that. And the last one we're going to do for you is doubling the letters. So we have flat, flatter, and flattest. My tire is the flattest I've ever seen it. We have big, bigger, and biggest. See how we've got those letters in between? Look, they doubled them. Oh.
Sorry.
It's single right there, doubled and doubled. Single in the base word, double and double. All right, so you guys are now going to do that page on your own. Somebody want to talk about this one?
I would love to talk about
No, go ahead.
You sure?
I was thinking about our little choo-choo
Contractions.
train yesterday that was
Oh,
doing
that was fun.
contractions.
That was fun.
No, oh
2 words, or 1 word sometimes, that we make shorter. So we have the exception, which is cannot. You cannot forget the exception of cannot. A contraction has an apostrophe. An apostrophe, sometimes people call it a comma in the air, but I like to think of it as a comet because it has a dot and then it has a little tail, which is what a comet has too.
Haley's comment.
It is. It belongs to her.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. That's it.
Do a couple with them.
Oh, I'd love to do a couple with you. The frogs and the foods didn't find the sun. Read each sentence, underline the contraction, write the 2 words that make up the contraction. So the contraction, I think, I'm looking for the apostrophe, and you can see it, it's right there. So I'm gonna underline the contraction. Did you get it? It's didn't. But some of you didn't miss that. And so that's did together with the word not. Did not. And it became didn't. We got rid of the O. Right? Okay, and then we're going to do one more, and then you're going to do the rest. But, yeah. The fish and the turtles couldn't find the sun. So I'm looking, there it is again. There's our contraction. And it's could, C-O-U-L-D, and the word not. So the contraction, you're not going to write the contraction, you just underlined it. And if Miss East spells it right, that's even better. Couldn't. So whenever you take out a letter, you have to put an apostrophe in its place. So that way people can see what it is you're trying to say. And we have some nice little videos here for you to help you to remember about those. And you're going to do the rest of the page 105.
It's up at the top.
105 right here. 105. And then you will understand contractions a little better. And then you'll be prepared for when you have your next bi-weekly test, which is coming up.
Tomorrow.
That's right. We want you to be ready.
But if they have to do it the following week, we're okay with that too.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Okay.
All right,
Oh.
so we have, it's okay.
Whoopsie.
All right, so we have from last week?
Sorry about that.
Week before, last week, I think where we are. Let's go rock collecting. We had Caleb here, who he sent in a picture. He actually did a volcano experiment here. You can see how he's standing in front of it. Oh, it really exploded on him right here.
Did they color it orange or
He
something?
did, he's got some orange food coloring in that.
Looks very
Thanks for
authentic.
sharing with that, Caleb. And then we have a video. We might fast forward through a little bit, but Addie also did a volcano at home. right, so Addie's doing what we said to do. She's putting the water in, putting everything in, so let's find out.
Take one. She added red food coloring, she's gonna put in blue to make it purple now.
I'm glad they put it in a bowl. The video's not running.
Uh-oh.
It's in there.
More technical difficulties.
Oh
And
no,
you just have to trust us.
more technical difficulty.
You hear the audio.
And now we need to put in some.
You want to try to go out and go back in?
Let me try
We can try one more time, Addie, if we can get this going.
Take the funnel out. And just.
There we go.
Oh,
Squeeze
excellent.
in some. They did like 2 pumps, so do a couple squeezes, a little more. A little more. That's probably good.
It doesn't really do anything.
I don't know, it makes it foamy.
So now,
And now use the funnel. No.
Oh,
Let's use this.
no, that makes it explode.
No, that makes it explode.
Watch the video.
That reacts with that and makes it explode. So we want to put that baking soda in first, and it'll just sit there. Then we can pour that in there, and it's gonna go.
Chemical
I
reaction.
hope it doesn't explode.
It won't. It's not gonna explode.
I'm excited about seeing what happens. I'm wondering if it's gonna go on the computer. It's nice how she has your screen up to see exactly what you did.
Is that enough?
I'm sure.
Maybe just a little more,
Yeah.
just in case.
That sounds like a dad, you know, wanting to get that big explosion in there.
Watch the video.
The what?
Okay.
Looking kind of brown instead of purple, huh?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, now
The
we're gonna take
last
this out.
ingredient.
Last ingredient. So,
How do
you
you
want
do
me to pour that in for you? 'Cause it's kind of big and heavy. Yeah, that's smelly stuff.
Ooh.
this? This is my project.
Okay, here, let's do it like this. Go ahead,
Yay.
pour a good amount in.
It smells like the sauce.
Hurry, go. More.
Look at it come, here it goes.
Whoa!
Oh.
There it goes.
Wow.
It does look kind of purpley.
Yeah.
All right, Addie. Thank
That
you
was
so much
great.
for sharing your experiment. That was great. So I think that's it for today, and we will see you soon.